Blue Ocean stainless steel thermostatic shower panel. With Rainfall showerhead, 8 adjustable nozzles. This new luxurious shower panel has just newly arrived to North America, and it is one of the best shower panels you can find in the market. Blue Ocean stainless steel thermostatic shower panel qualifies ISO 9001 standard. It can only be acquired by products that went through strict quality control and product inspection. Three controllers are also added on the panel, which controls the overhead shower, body massage nozzles, handheld showerhead, tub spout, and water temperature. Item size: 132 by 30.5 by 9 cm, 52-inch height by 12-inch weight x 3.5-inch depth. Made of high-quality satin finish stainless steel. Lightweight and durable. Unique design for flat wall installation. Comes with chrome-plated brass hose. Standard plumbing connection. Reinforced pipes on back. Battery is required for temperature display. Easy installation, come with all standard installation accessories. Offer 1-year limited parts warranty from the date of purchase. Ship in 1 to 2 business days. It can be as a spa shower modules as an easy value enhancing upgrade. For the price, this unit meets the basic spa shower requirements of Rainfall, handheld, and body shower nozzles. Each shower head is multi-functional and performs well even with mediocre water pressure. The useful backlit temperature display can be changed between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Configure the temperature display before mounting the unit on the wall. The thermostatic water control valve works well at providing consistent water temperature. The unit is beautiful and sturdy. I love the thermostatic option as I wanted to be able to keep the water reliably at a steady temperature while being able to adjust the water volume. Showering with this is an amazing experience. Switching between the various functions is easy. Customizing how the water hits you is easy. This is an amazing shower for an incredibly reasonable price. To purchase Blue Ocean thermostatic shower panel, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.